Have you ever wondered how to start a clothing brand in 2024? Today, we're going to delve into the intricate process of building a clothing brand from scratch. First, you need to identify your niche. What kind of clothing do you want to produce? Is it streetwear, luxury, or maybe sportswear? Your choice should reflect your personal interests and the market demand. Next, you must create a business plan. This will serve as your roadmap. It should include your brand's mission, target audience, marketing strategy, and financial projections. Remember, a well-structured business plan can attract potential investors. After that, you should design your products. You can either hire a designer or do it yourself. When designing, think about your target audience and what they would like to wear. Also, consider the current fashion trends, but don't forget to infuse your unique style into your designs. Then, you need to find a manufacturer. You can either produce locally or overseas. Each option has its pros and cons. For instance, producing locally can ensure quality control, but it can be more expensive. On the other hand, manufacturing overseas can be cheaper, but it may compromise the quality. Once you have your products, it's time to build your brand. This involves creating a logo, a website, and social media profiles. Your brand should reflect your mission and your designs. It should be consistent across all platforms. Now, you're ready to market your products. You can use various strategies like social media marketing, influencer marketing, and search engine optimization. You can also collaborate with other brands or participate in pop-up shops and fashion shows. Lastly, you need to manage your operations. This includes inventory management, customer service, and financial management. You can use various tools and software to streamline these processes. To summarize, building a clothing brand in 2024 involves identifying your niche, creating a business plan, designing your products, finding a manufacturer, building your brand, marketing your products, and managing your operations. It may seem daunting, but with determination, creativity, and hard work, you can turn your dream into a reality. So, are you ready to build your clothing brand? Remember, the fashion industry is constantly evolving. You need to stay updated with the latest trends and adapt to changes. But most importantly, you need to stay true to your brand. After all, it's your unique style and vision that will set you apart from the competition. That's all for today. We hope this video helps you in your journey to starting your own clothing brand. Until next time, keep dreaming and keep creating.